my artistic skills are not up there. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be an update on what I did last month, which is in the month of August. I call it Awesome August, where I tried to post a video for every day, but the videos weren't able to be uploaded every day because the editing takes a while. So moving along, for my new subscribers here, just a short backstory. I did one upload 2 years ago just to find out what the process is to get a video onto YouTube. The next year I uploaded a few short videos during Easter and during summer. It was nothing serious. Then I decided to upload during December. I decided to do Vlogmas. Vlogmas is where I got most of my subscribers, and I wasn't that experienced with editing, so the vlogs weren't all that, but I got most of my subscribers during Vlogmas, which was very fun and life-changing for me in terms of this YouTube platform. The last week of Vlogmas was very tiring. I ended up having to do 2 videos for one day, so that the next day I was able to upload that video along with a vlog. So for Vlogmas, I did a vlog and an art video at the end of that vlog. It was a challenge for me, but I like challenges. I also wanted to do an update on what happened Vlogmas, but in January I was so tired I did not get to do that upload. I was even considering not to bother uploading my videos to YouTube because this was so much work. So I eventually just started to post short videos and videos here and there whenever I can onto this channel. After Vlogmas, January of this year, I wanted to do a video to give you guys an update, but as I said, I could not. So I totally said I'm not going to upload again for now. I wanted to start uploading in March this year, but I did not get the chance to do so. I won't get into that detail because I have a video somewhere on this channel, so you can go ahead and click the link to watch that video on my update. Moving on now to quarantine. So because of quarantine now, I get the chance to do some more drawings and videos and upload it onto YouTube. So maybe if it was for quarantine, I would have started a bit later again. So quarantine has given me the time and the opportunity to upload again on this platform, to draw and upload on this platform once again. So I'm going to try and start to post consistently. I'm not sure of the days. I do not have a proper software, and my computer is also giving problems, so that was taking a lot of time, and it's still taking a lot of time for me to post video at an exact time I want to post it, because this camera here is not working as much, my computer is not working as much, and my cell phone is not working as much, so everything is taking a lot of time. So I can't really tell you an exact date or an exact day I'm going to post a video, because anything can malfunction at any point in time. So I don't know what to tell you guys in terms of when I'm going to start uploading for a specific days. I will try to do on Wednesdays, or if not Wednesdays, Sundays. So you might get more than one video for a week. So we'll see how that works out. And I have a little book here with the notes that I want to say here. So yeah. Because I didn't get to do an update on what I learned from Vlogmas, being a new person uploading on YouTube, I decided to do it this time around. Let's get into it. 1. You have to pre-record a video the day before or a week before, or whenever. Pre-record a video whenever you're tired, you have that video that you can use, especially if you're doing a 1-month challenge. If you have the strength to do 2 or 3 videos for the day, go ahead and do it. Trust me, it helps a lot. So it helps if you're an art student or if you're an art person. Set up your area from before, the night before, the day before, so that the next day when you want to record, all you have to do is to prepare yourself physically, meaning you bathe, you brush your teeth, you get yourself ready, glammed up if you want. Even though you guys not going to smell me, I want to feel good, so I get ready. Sometimes I find it hard to even set up or clean up after I've done a video, so it helps to set out your things from before, so you can know what you want to do when you have everything in place. So all you have to do is prepare yourself and go and sit down and you start filming. 3. I now understand why YouTubers do clean with me videos or organizing videos. It is because sometimes the videoing and editing takes up a lot of time that they neglect their chores, so they end up having to do clean with me or organize with me videos. So I don't understand why some YouTubers do that. It takes up a lot of time, it takes up a lot of your time, so sometimes you neglect what you're supposed to do in and around the house. So my advice is to get your things in order, meaning whatever chores or priorities that you have to do before videoing and editing, get it done before. So that's my advice. 4. Always make it clear what you want to do before videoing. Make it clear so that it's less editing for you. This is why I've written some of my notes down so I can know what to say. 5. Occupy every minute of your time, meaning when you get the time to edit or video, occupy every minute of it. So let's say you do a video. When you're finished with that video, transfer that footage. So it takes a while for the footage to upload to my computer, then from my computer to the editing. So from editing to rendering, and from rendering to uploading that footage to YouTube. So while it's rendering, maybe you can do another video. Number 6, one of the things that I had to do was also to prep my meals the day before or the morning before, so that it's easier for me to get something cooking, to get something going for me and my kids or my family. So I had to prepare my meals from before. For number 7, what you have to do is to write down the video ideas that you have in mind for each day, and it helps to have 3 or 4 ideas on that day, so that if you're not in the mood to do one of them, you have 3 more that you can choose from. So that times I can switch over an idea to another day. So that's for me. Number 8, always try to remember that YouTube copyrights for everything. Just say that. YouTube copyrights for everything. So don't even hum your favorite song. Don't even try to put a 1 second of a music in your video. Don't even try that, because sometimes they're just going to copyright it. So don't do it. Try to look for a song that says non-copyright beside it in the title. What I find upsetting the most is, even though I type in the search bar non-copyright or no copyright music, and they give me a list and I choose from that list, put it in my video, and I still get copyrighted. So ensure that in the tagline it says non-copyright or no copyright music. Number 9, I think it is upload consistently. When you upload consistently, you get more views and more subscribers. So even though I don't look at the numbers for my channel, because I know I don't have a proper camera, or I'm not good at this as yet, or my artistic skills are not up there, so I know I'm not going to get as much subscribers and a lot of views, etc. at this time. Not to mention, I do not. So if it do come, fine, but if it don't, that's fine with me also. My main goal of this channel is to basically build my artistic skills and to try new things. You YouTubers, you want to be a YouTuber, you really have to upload consistently if you really want your channel to go far. When YouTubers say upload consistently, they mean upload consistently. Do not rush your editing process. Ensure that everything correct. Ensure that you edit parts out that you do not want, that is going to affect your personal life. Edit it out. Ensure to do it as best as possible. Alright? Always try to remember why you're doing YouTube. Now for me, I sometimes lose track of why I'm doing YouTube. I always want to do my artwork perfect for YouTube, not remembering that it's a process for me and I should document that process. So sometimes I lose my way and forget that. Remember, you have to upload the process so that next time you do that artwork, it's going to show the difference from when you just started and now. So that's it, guys. That's all I remember right now from doing that daily upload challenge last month. Even though I have this list or this update that I can watch again, I'm not 100% going to get it right because there are always going to be new problems arising or new things arising, but always try to do your best. Always try to do your best at what you're doing. So I'm going to continue to upload for this month, September. I'm going to try a different challenge for this month. And I have 2 more videos that I want to upload from last month. So I'm going to get those 2 videos for you. It's going to come either before this video or after this video. We will see. Both of them aren't edited as yet. And then I have this video to edit. So it's going to take a while. So yeah, and I did miss 4 or 5 videos for last month. I did not get the chance to complete that month, but I can say I'm pretty satisfied for what I did because I really tried to push myself to get those videos out for you guys, and it was really getting frustrating because this camera keeps shutting off. My phone is not 100%. It takes a long time for it to charge. The battery is just not good. It's just not good. Not to mention my laptop, no matter how I delete things off, I do not keep my videos on my laptop. Once I upload it to YouTube, I delete every footage, but it's still slow. So no matter what I do, my computer is always slow. And not to mention, it fell 3 or more times already and it's broken. So thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Artwork Fly. I forgot to mention, for my first time subscribers, if you realize I have now changed my name to just Artwork Fly. The first one was just too long. So for my new subscribers, if you want to know what that old name was, you would have to go back and look at some of my videos. Thank you. Hey everyone. Oh Lord, I'm tired.